Hey, I'm Alan. We're actually here in Forsyth, Georgia at my home, taking a look at the Yarbo M Series. I currently have about 6 acres of yard. What I'm really excited about today is testing out the M Series. Having it be a smaller platform, being able to properly manicure the yard, keep it cut low is exciting, and it's smaller, compact size compared to the Y Series. I'm really excited to take a look and experience its maneuverability since it's a smaller chassis. This is the first time I've seen the Yarbo M Series. Here's the core, so we get to kind of take a look compared to the Y Series. For the charging dock, and the dock, just like the core series, is smaller, which is neat. And yes, this is much easier than the Y Series. So I'm really excited to kind of take a look at this. One of my things that I deal with a lot is the fact that I have 6 acres, but we're gonna try to hook it up. Like, if it's anything like the Y Series, this will be easy. If it's a little bit different, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Is that they have these little clips, which is new. They're the same style waterproof connector with the data ports inside of it. So that should be pretty simple. They just kind of hook up. But I'm interested to see how this works. If I get it wrong, I'm sure we'll figure it out. So we are going to take this first. We're gonna leave it powered down for now. And like always, these things are awesome. They just, once you line them up, they just snap in. And removing them is just a twist and then a pull. You hear the click, it's good. That part is really nice. I'm a little interested how this is gonna work. But let's leave that off. Let's take this unit, let's slide it in. Let's take a look with this. This should lift up. Let's see. Oh yeah, just enough room for the actual cables behind it. Let's see if it's even warm. So I guess one of the questions that always comes up, especially by neighbors who come by and they check out my mower that's been running for the last year, is are these able to replace your standard mower? Now, in this large field, a lot of times I mowed this with a huge tractor. But I've had this mower for a long time. This is what I've used to cut smaller areas. Obviously, it's a lot of work. Can this, replace this? And that's always the question. We're gonna give it a test. This is the new M Series with the razor blades on it. And this is some pretty thick grass. Okay, first off, I don't miss that. That was rough, and this is actually self-propelled. It has mulching blades on it and no bagger. So the idea, this is how I like to cut my lawn. At the end of the day, you recut what's there. We're gonna see how well the Yarbo handles that. You saw, I think 2 or 3 times it actually bogged down and shut down. So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna run the Yarbo M Series with razor blades and see what happens. Really interesting. I did not expect this one to struggle. Honestly, I was thinking this was going to be a real test for the M10, because this is technically the smaller of the Yarbo models with the razor blades, not the steel one. But in this case, that mower, which has seen a lot of hours, the gas mower, which I normally mulch, my normal yard, and it doesn't really have a problem. Obviously, you can't go too fast, it can't be too wet, but it bogged down 2 or 3 times. The M10, it did go slower, but I think the big picture here is this is one pass through some stuff that it's really not meant for. This is meant for really good manicured lawns and keeping it looking, lush and healthy. But it handled this. I mean, this stuff, what we're originally in, is below my feet, and which is way more than your grass should ever be. It handled it. It did it really well. And my understanding, after having these robots with the razor blades on them, one more pass and this will be clean. It did a great job. It's a really large yard, and at the beginning of spring we have probably 100 to 150 ant beds, really tall ones. I used to have granulars and come out and spread to basically get rid of the ants in the yard. But what I found with the autonomous robot is, as long as you're continuously mowing, it will eventually destroy the ant beds, and over time, over a period of about 2 to 3 weeks, there will be 0 ant beds in the yards, effectively because the ants don't have a way to come to the surface. So what will end up happening is they'll push out to the woods, or they'll push out to another neighbor's yard. One of the cool things that we do, because it's fun, this is my son. He's got full control of the Yarbo. This is the M Series, just towing him on a wagon. Good luck. Oh yeah.
Yarbo, the modular yard robot for every season.